Yes, Illinois, as of the first of the year, January 1st, 2010, will have a new Illinois virtual representation statute, which will greatly expand the ability of trustees and beneficiaries to make modifications to trusts without going to court. Particularly modifications that concern the administrative provisions of the trust. So essentially, the trustee and the beneficiaries over many trusts will be able to update outmoded administrative terms of trusts. They'll be able to resolve ambiguities that might appear in a trust instrument without going to court. And they'll also be able to resolve trust disputes that may have arisen without having to go to court. So it's really a revolutionary statute.
It's amazing. And you're going to be speaking this year on that in terms of, I think it's a whole hour that you're going to be talking about that, right? So obviously there's a lot of content that needs to be driven home in terms of how this is going to affect lawyers in the state of Illinois.
There is, because the statute essentially does two different things. One thing is it greatly expands virtual representation, which are provisions under which where you have a beneficiary who might be a minor or under a disability or unborn, where you can have another beneficiary who is in existence and who is an adult with capacity can represent the interests of that other beneficiary. And the new Illinois Virtual Representation Act greatly expands the modes of virtual representation, and then in addition, as I mentioned, allows non-judicial modifications of trusts.